Welcome to Electronic Chemistry Center. This is VKM. In today's lecture, we will be discussing about mole concept, previous year JEE Main questions. But right now, I am taking JEE Main 2019 question paper, right? In which I'll be discussing about questions only from the mole concept chapter, right? Let's make a look on it. The question which is given over here, a solution of sodium sulfate contains 92 grams of which ions? Na plus ions per kilogram of water. This is the mass of the water given, and he is asking you to calculate the molality of Na plus ions and the molality which can be expressed as mole per kg. That you can see it here, right? Let's see how can we solve it. As you know, number of moles of Na plus ions, which can be given as given mass upon molar mass. Number of moles formula is given mass upon molar mass, which is in turn equal to given mass is already there in the question, 92 grams upon molar mass of sodium is 23, which is in turn equal to 4 moles, right? But we have to calculate the molality. Molality is the concentration term, right, which is nothing but number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. So number of moles upon weight of solvent. Number of moles already we have calculated, right? That is 4. Weight of solvent which is already given, that is 1 kilogram of water. So the answer is 4 mole per kg or 4 mole kg inverse. So 4 mole kg inverse, in a sense, the answer can be taken as option 2, that is 4 mole per kg. Hope you understand, children. Right. Let's move on to the next question. Continue with the next question. If you see, for the following reaction, what you have to calculate, the mass of water produced from 445 grams of C57 H110 110 O6. It is hydrocarbon given undergoing combustion, but we have to calculate the mass of the water which is produced. So they have given already mass only 445 grams of this hydrocarbon, and they are asking only mass itself. Means this question is based on mass-mass relationship in stoichiometric calculations. And this question was given in JEE Main. This question was given in JEE Main 2019, that is January 9th afternoon shift, right? Let's make a look on it. How can we solve this question? This is the given reaction, you can see it here, right? Now, as you know, the given mass is 445 grams, but number of moles of this hydrocarbon, what is the formula we have? Given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is equal to how much? 445. Molar mass, if you calculate it, you will get 890, which gives you 1 upon 2, that is equal to 0.5 moles, right? But as per stoichiometry, if you observe it, as per stoichiometry, that is 2 moles. Just to check it, 2 moles of the hydrocarbon is giving how many moles of the water? 110 moles of the water. It is giving 110 moles of water. But here, how many moles of hydrocarbon? We got it as per the question, 0.5 moles. So 0.5 moles gives how many moles of water? That will give you 0.5 into 110 upon 2. Right? It is anyway, this part is 1 by 2. Right? 1 by 2, that means 110 upon 4, which gives you around, if you calculate it, 4 to the 8 and the remainder is 3, that is 27.5 moles. This is what we got it, 27.5 moles, right? 27.5 moles we got it. But what you have to calculate it? Number of mass of the water you have to calculate it. So I am writing here mass of water. As you know the formula, number of moles is equal to given mass by molar mass. So number of moles into molar mass. How many moles we got it? 27.5. Molar mass is equal to 18. If you calculate it, you will get 495 grams. That 495 grams is there in option 3. So option 3 is the correct answer for us. Hope you understand, children. Right? Let's move on to the next question. See the next question given here. 10 milligram effervescent tablet. Effervescent in the sense which can release brisk fumes. That can be possible with evolution of carbon dioxide. That tablet containing sodium bicarbonate, right, and oxalic acid, which releases how much volume of the CO2? 0.25 ml of the CO2. At this temperature and pressure conditions are given, but molar volume of the CO2 is given as 25.0 liter. Under such conditions, what you have to calculate? What is the percentage of sodium carbonate in each tablet? Molar mass is given, right? So let's make a look on it. How can we solve this? So first of all, sodium bicarbonate is reacting with oxalic acid, right? First write down the reaction. Sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3 plus oxalic acid formula H2C2O4. It is acid, sodium bicarbonate is base, right? And it is NaHCO3. And H2C2O4, oxalic acid, it's a neutralization reaction which gives you Na2C2O4, sodium oxalate plus 2CO2 plus 2H2O. If you balance it here, you will get 2 NaHCO3. But according to the stoichiometry, if you observe it, 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate, it is reacting with oxalic acid. It is giving 2 moles of carbon dioxide, right? But according to the question, now number of moles of CO2 evolved. Number of moles of CO2 evolved. But in the previous question, for number of moles, what is the formula we have written? Given mass by molar mass. But in this question, if you observe it, CO2 is gas, so it should be measured in volume. So volume in the sense, what you have to write it here? Given volume upon molar volume. Given volume upon molar volume. What is the given volume here? Given volume is 0.25 ml upon, right? So here 25 liters is given. If you observe it, this 25 liters I can write it as 25 into 10 to the power of 3, and which gives you around 10 to the power of minus 5. This is 10 to the power of minus 5 moles of the CO2. So 2 moles of NaHCO3 will give 2 moles of CO2. Then 10 to the power of minus 5 moles means 10 to the power of minus 5 moles of NaHCO3. So what you can write here? Moles of NaHCO3, which is equal to 10 to the power of minus 5 moles. Then if you want to calculate the mass, so mass of NaHCO3, which is nothing but number of moles, that is 10 to the power of minus 5 into molar mass is 84 gram per mole, right? So this I can write it as grams. This is mass of NaHCO3. But still we got to know the mass. This is 84 into 10 to the power of minus 5. This I can write it as, adjust the decimal. Then if you adjust the decimal, you will get 0.84 into 10 to the power of minus 3 grams. 10 to the power of minus 3 grams, I can write it as milligrams. So 0.84 milligrams, right? This is the mass. But I have to calculate the percentage. I am writing here, okay? Percentage of NaHCO3, which is equal to, what is the mass we got it? 0.84 divided by, what is the mass of the tablet? 10 milligram. Percentage means into 100. This will be cancelled. Then 0.84 into 10, that will give you 8.4 percentage. So 8.4 percentage in the sense, the answer is option 4. This question was given on January 11th morning shift, right? Let's make a look on it on the next question also. Hope you understand, children. Now the next question, if you see, that is 25 ml of the given HCl. So your volume is given. I can mark it as V1, and which requires 30 ml, that is volume V2 given, and 0.1 molar, this we will convert into normality, of sodium carbonate solution. What is the volume of this HCl solution required to titrate 30 ml of 0.2 molar aqueous NaOH solution? This question is given in JEE Mains 2019, right? That is on January 11th afternoon session. Children, these type of questions are very, very important, right? And these questions, this type of questions can be asked frequently. You can expect even in JEE, you will be expecting in JEE 2020 also. Let's make a look on it. How can we solve this? See, they have given very clearly 25 ml of HCl solution, right? Requires HCl solution requires how much ml? 30 ml of 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution, that is Na2CO. So molarity is there, but I would like to convert this molarity into normality. For that, what I will do, right? Normality is equal to molarity into N factor. Molarity they have given 0.1 and N factor for sodium carbonate is 2. That can be taken as 0.2 normal. So I'll take law of equivalence, N1V1 is equal to N2V2. So this volume, we know that volume is equal to 25, but normality you don't know, that is N1, which is equal to N2, that is of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate normality, that is 0.2, that we have calculated now. V2, which is equal to 30. So N1, which is equal to 6 upon 25. 0.2 into 30, that is 6 upon 25, which gives you 0.24 normal HCl. This is the normality of HCl we require for titrating with the NaOH solution, right? So that point I am writing here. Now HCl solution is titrated with NaOH solution, right? HCl solution is titrated with NaOH solution. Both HCl and NaOH are monoacidic, monobasic acid and monoacidic base respectively. So I can use M1V1 is equal to M2V2 formula. What is the M1 here? 0.24, and the volume that we don't know, we have to calculate it. M2 molarity, that is 0.2, and volume is 30 ml, and which gives you volume is equal to 6 upon 0.24, which is in turn equal to 25 ml. This is 25 ml of HCl we require, okay, to titrate with the 30 ml and 0.2 molar NaOH solution. So option 1 is the correct answer for this, right? So this is a very important question, right? These type of numericals you have to practice it more. Yeah, these are the questions for today's session. We will be, continuing the session. Okay. In the next video, I'll be uploading remaining questions which are based on mole concept, which they have asked in previous year JEE Main 2019. Okay. Hope you liked the video. And as well as children, I have created a poll in YouTube community that you can see here. Which chapter numericals are more difficult for you from class 11 chemistry? Right? Please vote. Okay, whichever you feel are the difficult chapter. Vote accordingly. I can make videos. Okay, in forthcoming sessions. Right, children? Hope you like the video. Right? And please, if you have any doubts, post in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it also. Right? See you soon.